Hello everyone, I am Nisarg Chauhan, first year MBBS student, and today we will see how to perform intramuscular injections. Intramuscular injections deposit medications into the muscle fascia, which has a rich blood supply. It allows medications to be absorbed faster through muscle fibers. Due to their rich blood supply, intramuscular injection sites can absorb larger volumes of solution, which means a range of medications can be administered intramuscularly in the community. Sites for intramuscular injections include the ventrogluteal, vastus lateralis, and the deltoid site. The site for the injection is chosen based on the age and condition of the patient and the volume and type of medication injected. A longer needle with a larger gauge is required to penetrate deep muscle tissue. The needle is injected directly at 90 degrees to the patient's body. Now to perform the injection, we first need to perform the hand hygiene. After that, we have to check the patient's data and identify the patient correctly. We have to assess the patient's symptoms, knowledge of the medication to be received, history of patient's allergies, drugs allergies, and types of allergic reactions. After that, we need to review the medication information, and then we need to assemble the supplies. The supplies include non-sterile gloves, alcohol swabs, syringe, needles, and sharp containers. After that, prepare the injection by getting the medication from the vial. Now again perform the hand hygiene and then close the curtains or doors. Explain the procedure and medication and give the patient time to ask the questions. After that, prepare the patient in correct position. Ensure a sharp disposable container in close by. Now locate the correct site using landmarks and clean area with alcohol swab. Let the area dry. Place a clean swab or dry gauze between your third and fourth fingers. Remove the needle cap by pulling it straight off the needle. Hold the syringe between thumb and forefinger on dominant hand as if you are holding a dart. Now with non-dominant hand, hold the skin around the injection site. With the dominant hand, inject the needle quickly into the muscle at a 90-degree angle, using a steady and smooth motion. After the needle pierces the skin, use the thumb and forefinger of the non-dominant hand to hold the syringe. Now inject the medication slowly and steadily. Once the medication is completely injected, remove the needle using a smooth, steady motion. Remove the needle at the same angle at which it was inserted. Now cover the injection site with sterile gauze using a gentle pressure and apply Band-Aid as required. Place the safety shield on needle and discard the syringe in appropriate sharps container. Now discard the supplies and remove gloves and perform the hand hygiene again.